Activating Leica SIM in Germany is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can activate your Leica mobile SIM card in Germany. So the process is pretty simple. You just need to go to Google and type in activate Leica SIM. So this is what I'm going to search, and I have to go to this website, which is lycamobile.com. So if I go to that option, and it will want me to, put these following information. So let me tell you what the information that you need to put. So the first one is you need to enter tag code. Now, what is tag code? Tag code is actually the first 8 digits of your IMI number. So you just need to, open up your phone setting, and you need to go to the IMI settings. And in the IMI setting, you will see an IMI number. You need to, put the first 8 digits of your IMI number right here. Then you need to add your zip code, your SIM number, your PUC code, your email address, and your language you want to select. So what is PUC code? PUC code is actually in the back side of the SIM card. This is how your SIM card looks, the whole SIM card, and you will see your PIN and the PUC code of your SIM card. So you just need to put that, and after that, it will take you to the IMI page. Now here you have to enter your full IMI. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.